I am going to share with you my two hot takes on Matic. Again, this is just my opinion, but these are my two hot takes on Matic. I guess I'll start with this one and then I'll jump to the other one. Notice all the partnerships inside the crypto space. Okay. But not only partnerships, but things that are being developed and built on Matic. Okay. But just in all different sectors in the cryptocurrency space, right? If it's DeFi, Matic's involved. NFTs, Matic's involved. Ethereum scaling, Matic's involved. Oracles, Matic's involved. Stable coins, Matic is involved. Gaming, Matic is involved. Right? So, and there's partnerships. The one that I was a part of, Safe Haven, Inherity, right? For inheritance, Matic is involved. Right? I mean, they're involved in everything. And not only is Matic, and I'm going to get to my hot take, but this is how, so you can understand what I'm about to say. Not only are they involved in everything, right? It's just they're just controlling. They're building like a monopoly, and they're expanding with different names like EasyFi, very strong connection with Matic. And there's connections in Uniland and this one and Decentraland and all these things, but a lot of projects that are under that umbrella of Matic. That's a whole nother thing, like a whole monopoly that Matic has. Okay, so you're seeing that, and then again, let's touch on the Binance backing and the Coinbase backing, and I'll get into that one a little later. But all these things that are happening. Okay, pay attention. What I do see happening, again, this is my first hot take. You guys remember what Chainlink did at around 20 cents? You remember when it just exploded? I mean, Chainlink is partnered with everybody. I mean, it's the Oracle, right? It ties the blockchain to the outside world. You understand what Chainlink does. But I'm trying to give you the scenario of, you saw what it did with the price. We call it a link, right? It pulled a link, a chain link. Well, I believe Matic is going to pull a chain link. When all these things that are happening and all these months, I mean, just in every sector of this blockchain space, and if you're long on blockchain, like the longevity of it, and we know it's volatile, right? We all know that blockchain, cryptocurrencies as an asset is volatile. But if you're long on it, and you know that a lot of smart people, big companies, big conglomerates, right? Smart money is coming in, is already in, and it's just advancing blockchain. And there's real world use case for blockchain. And Matic is just coming after the whole pie in every way. They're hungry. Okay, you understand? They're hungry. Let me say it again. They're hungry, and they're not playing any games. And I honestly, in my opinion, not financial advice, I believe the price of Matic is going to pull a chain link. All right, so that's my first hot take on Matic when it comes to that. And we saw what was it, $20? Chain link, $20? From 20 cents to $20. I mean, I'm not doing the percentages right now. I don't have the calculations, but I'm talking about something like that. I'm not saying all at one shot. But I do see when all these things just start kicking in and all these different things, and Matic is not stopping. Matic is not stopping. They're expanding and expanding, and many different cryptos are just under that umbrella. And I mean, Matic is a monstrosity. So just pay attention to what I'm talking about, right? Pay attention. If you're listening, it all makes sense. I always talk about development. And tell me one sector that Matic is not involved in. Can you tell me? Okay, yeah. Because that's what, I mean, of course, they're in everything. So that's my first hot take is that I believe they're going to pull a Chainlink when it comes to price. By the way, Chainlink, everybody's big on it. Me, I have my questions, but Chainlink is still a very legitimate name when it comes to cryptos and things like that, right? Stable coins, again, I don't know if I mentioned that, Matic is involved. So again, every sector. Here's my second hot take on Matic. I believe either in Q1 or early Q2, Matic will be listed on Coinbase. Are you listening? Of 2021. Second hot take. Q1 or Q2 of 2021, Matic gets listed onto Coinbase. Remember, the last check mark. I don't know if you got my tweet. If you're not following me on Twitter, it's 007 Mac 007. And I put on Twitter, maybe you didn't understand. I go, this is the last check mark for you know what. And I was retweeting what Matic put, right? The final frontier for decentralization was the external nodes. This was the last check mark for Coinbase. That's what I meant. All right, so we're in December. So I believe Q1 or Q2 of 2021, Matic gets listed onto Coinbase. Now, will that be the rocket that takes it to that link explosion that I'm expecting? Who knows? Will it happen in this bull run? Don't know. But I do expect these two things. So I've enjoyed the staking of Matic. Enjoyed it. Believe me, since not even day one, since the first couple of minutes, I was ready to stake Matic. I mean, talking just crazy percentages. It's just been a passive money machine for me. Okay, and some family members that I put on to Matic. It's just been great. And to be able to hold on to something like this that I believe is going to pull a link price explosion is just very special. So, my two hot takes. It's going to pull a Chainlink price explosion, and it's going to be listed on Coinbase Q1, Q2 of next year, which is already starts next month. By the way, as I mentioned earlier, the final frontiers here, that's it. Of now, you have to pick an external validator. So if you're staking Matic, you got to pick, and if you go to the Matic dashboard, you can see which ones you want to pick for staking. For those of you who are staking Matic. So just to put that out there. But I'm really excited, and I'm expecting big things. I mean, if you just listen to my hot takes, then I'm expecting big things from Matic. All right, guys, stay blessed, be blessed, and you already know. Let's go.